Hello guys, and today we are going to be unboxing Heroes Clash, Crimson Rampage, and the deck loadable content, so please stay tuned. Okay guys, so here we have Graceful Maneuvers, which is a Shido. They have Jetstream Crash, which is Gran Torino, of course. They have Bakugo, of course. Man, I don't really like this guy. They also have Training with Gunhead, which is in the interships. Ricochet Charge. They have Leaping Right Hook, which is Stain also. Forcing Surrender. They also have Ochako Uraka and Zero Gravity Bearer. Moving on to the Heroes Clash pack. We're opening this thing up. So we have Successful Results, of course. Swift Cross Detonator. Cool and Tough. Be Wilder. They have Ectoplasm Clones, Sports Festival Champ, Black Hole Void. They have the Constantly Improving, Mezzo Shoji, and Confident Inventor. So now we're going to be moving on to this, which is the deck loadable content. Okay, so opening this up, we will see what's inside. So, of course, this is the deck loadable content pack. And here's the cards. So, first of all, let's look over these. Okay, so let's get this thing opened. All Might. Another All Might. Mighty Punch. Another Mighty Punch. Staggering Positivity. So it looks like they have two of each one. Ochako Uraka. Good to have more versions. Float Combo. First Day of Class. Tenya Ida, High Engine Kick, Class 1A Present. They also have Suru Asuri, Tongue Whip, two of those, First Villain Encounter, and that is all. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. A like and subscribe is always appreciated. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.